So the national dialogue of 700 million rand is set to start on the 15th and the 16th. So the prominent people that are invited on this national dialogue seems like they are pulling out. All I can tell you guys, where there's smoke, there's fire. So Thabo Mbeki Foundation, they wrote a long letter saying Guti they are withdrawing themselves from the preparatory task team of the national dialogue, and they also stated, guys, Guti, what are the reasons Guti see pull out from this national dialogue. You can pause the video and read the letter. I will just post the pictures one by one. So it is not only Thabo Mbeki Foundation that is withdrawing from this national dialogue. There's also OR Tambo Foundation, FW de Klerk Foundation, Chief Albert Luthuli Foundation, Adelaide Tambo Foundation. Like, there's too many people that are withdrawing themselves from this. And some of the reasons that they stated, why are they withdrawing themselves from this national dialogue? But like, yini le rush le ekhona, like kujahweni engaka ukuze sibe nale national dialogue le. Why singenzi izinto ngendlela right, like step by step, like kune rush abangai understand ukuthi where is it coming from. So the office of the president now issue a statement with no, this national dialogue, it complies with the PFMA Act, or maybe policies with PFMA, you understand? So there's nothing, it has nothing to do with logo lama allegations lawa aletwa Thabo Mbeki Foundation. At some point, maybe Thabo Mbeki Foundation, they've got a point, because like niyakhumbula ukuthi ANC next year iyaku conference. Hayi ukuthi mhlambe, but let's look at this. Niyakhumbula statement of intent, le letter eyasayinwa between uHelen Zille ne ANC when they agreed on this marriage ye GNU. Niyakhumbula? Let's look at point number 12. Parties commit to all-inclusive national dialogue processes. So kushukuthini, EDA is over part and parcel of the national dialogue. That is my question. Because of, I still remember very well, Helen Zille was signer. I think also Ufikile Mbalula was signer this statement of intent, this letter. Nyakumbula, when they agreed on these terms and conditions of the GNU. That is my question. Will the DA be part of the national dialogue now? So it is also reported that the Bishop of EZCC, he was also invited to national dialogue. So unfortunately, now he's pulling out from the national dialogue. Like, why everybody they are pulling out? If ever this is for the best interest of South African people, why? Hence I said in the beginning, with la kunento khona, definitely umlilo yaba khona. So my question is, like in national dialogue, is it really necessary for the people of South Africa? Meanwhile, Ubaba General Nhlanhla Mkhonazi usipile a dialogue that cost like 0 million rand. That national dialogue, it costed 0 million rand. We know what is happening. Let's just work from that thing and then go forward. Will this national dialogue of Cyril Ramaphosa change anything in South Africa now? That is my question.